Welcome to Idiomas UCO Virtual. In this class, we're going to deal with the sh and the ch sounds in English. Now, the sh sound doesn't exist in Spanish, and it can cause problems with Spanish speakers speaking English. Sometimes it's difficult to recognize the difference between the sh sound and the ch sound. If you just think shh for the sh sound, the voice box doesn't vibrate. Shh. The ch sound does exist in Spanish in words like chico, chicharrón, chocolate. On the slide you'll see the phonetic transcription. These are the IPA symbols that you will see in the dictionary. So when you see the one on the left, you know it's a sh sound. And when you see the one on the right, you know it's a ch sound. For example, sheep and cheap. Now let's look at the articulation, how we pronounce. Shh. The tongue does not touch the top of the mouth. So there is air that comes between the tongue and the top of the mouth. Shh. In contrast, with the ch sound, the tongue does touch the top of your mouth. Ch, sh, ch, sh, ch. Let's look at where the sh sound appears in English. So it can appear at the start of words. For example, shine, ship, shoe, shop, should, show. It can appear in mid-position. Action, passion, patient, position, station. You'll notice here that the sh sound is not written as an S and H sound. It can be written as a T, double S, for example. And at the end of words like dish, push, wash, wish. Let's look at some more words that have the sh sound. For example, words that end in T-I-O-N or S-S-I-O-N, shun, or C-I-A-L or T-I-A-L, shun, or C-I-O-U-S, shus, or T-I-O-U-S, shus. Some words start with an S and are pronounced SH. For example, sure, sugar. Some words with a C in the middle have the pronunciation of SH. Special, ocean. And where we see a double S in words like assure and commission. Discussion, expression, issue, mission, pressure, professional. Some words with TI in the middle also have the SH sound, like action, education, partial, rational, substantial. Let's look at some more examples. Vacation, mission, efficient. We have issue, sensual, appreciate, all with different letters but the same SH pronunciation. To make things more confusing, some words with CH are also pronounced SH. For example, brochure, champagne, chef, Chicago, machine, parachute, moustache. Now let's look at the CH sound, the ch sound. Now we see this at the start of words in words like chain, chair, chance, chat, chess, China, change, cheese, choose. We can also see it in mid-position in words like achieve, purchase, kitchen, future, picture, teacher. You'll notice in the words future and picture it is written with a T but pronounced with a CH. In words like butcher and kitchen, it's written as TCH, but is still pronounced ch. And with words with TU in the middle, the pronunciation can be CH as well. For example, adventure, feature, future, natural, situation. We can also see the CH sound at the end of words, in words like approach, catch, lunch, pitch, research. We can also see it at the end of words when the word is written with ends in a TCH, like catch, match, sketch, stretch, switch, watch. Now let's look at some examples of the difference between the sh sound and the ch sound. For example, sheep rhymes with cheap, shop, chop, cash, catch, sheet, cheat, shoe, chew, wish, witch. The difference in pronunciation is very important, as it can mean you could be misunderstood. Now try it for yourself. You'll see on the screen there are some exercises. Try to take a minute and pronounce them. So, we have chair and share, cheap and sheep, cheat, sheet, cheese, she's, chew, shoe, choose and shoes, chip and ship, chop and shop. And at the end of words, in words like catch, cash, match, mash, watch, wash, witch, wish. Hopefully you can see the difference very clearly. For more practice, visit the websites in the description below this video. Thank you for watching this class. See you in the next class.